Welcome back to Torque Update, your spot for everything bold, powerful, and unapologetically rugged. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Land Rover Defender OCTA Black, the sinister, high-performance variant of the flagship Defender, packed with power, tech, and a blackout aesthetic that demands attention. Slide into the driver's seat of the 2026 OCTA Black, and you'll recognize that bold Defender silhouette. Only this one brings a new level of aggression. Underneath its stealth black exterior, you still got the massive 4.4L twin-turbo V8 pumping out 626 horsepower and 750 newton-meters of torque, paired with enhanced suspension and a performance-tuned chassis. It still feels like home, just with stadium-level volume and grunt. As the name suggests, OCTA Black leaves no nook or cranny untouched. Finished in Narvik Black, the deepest black in Defender's palette. It covers 30 exterior components in satin or gloss black, including skid plates, badges, wheels, calipers, exhaust tips, and even recovery hooks. 19 or 22-inch forged wheels, shadow atlas lettering, blacked out skid plates, and a sculpted silhouette give it an intense, monochrome look that's built for both the mall and the mud hole. Inside, the blackout mood continues with ebony semi-aniline leather and quadrat textile, satin black cross-car beam, and optional chopped carbon fiber accents. But it's not just about looks. The OCTA Black brings body and soul seats incorporating sub-pack vibroacoustic tech that literally lets you feel the music from the 700 W Meridian surround sound system. It's a luxury bunker draped in stealth. The heart of the OCTA Black is unchanged. It runs the BMW Source 4.4L twin-turbo V8, delivering 626 horsepower and 750 newton-meters. 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4 seconds. Top speed, 155 miles per hour. Standard mild hybrid support for smoother torque delivery. Ruggedized 6D Dynamics interlink hydraulic suspension, off-road launch mode, adaptive cruise, and off-road ABS settings. Combining brute force with finesse, this Defender can dominate dunes and highways alike. Production began in early 2025, and dealerships will see them in late 2025 or early 2026. Expect a price near $170,000 or more, approximately $16,000 over the standard OCTA. In global markets like Australia, pricing hits $304,500 Australian dollars. The 2026 Defender OCTA Black answers the question: can luxury, performance, and ruggedness coexist in Defender? Absolutely. It's the most menacing, track-ready, street-legal off-roader you can buy. With its all-black aesthetic, tech-rich cabin, and 635 PS V8, it cements itself as the icon of modern adventure. If you're as pumped about the Defender OCTA Black as we are, smash that like, ring the bell, and subscribe to Torque Update for more beastly rides, bold reviews, and next-level off-road insights. Catch you in the next adventure. Stay unstoppable.